Welcome back to our channel. We're going to show you how to make a refreshing and delightful triple berries smoothie. Ingredients: frozen berries, raspberry, blueberry, blackberry, almond milk, whipping cream, alperi m doubles. Start by adding a generous scoop of frozen raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries to your blender. Now it's time to add a splash of almond milk to help blend everything smoothly. For that extra touch of indulgence, let's pour in some whipping cream. To sweeten things up a bit, a drizzle of natural honey. With all our ingredients in, it's time to blend until everything is smooth and beautifully combined. Look at that gorgeous color. Once your triple berry smoothie is blended to perfection, pour it into a tall glass. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven, science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like